Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to this update on Pepe. And some pin bars have been formed over the past 2 days, and that is so good, really good to see. So the progress is quite good right now for Pepe, and I'm going to show you exactly what. So you have this bullish rectangle that you broke above and you came down. You're pretty much holding up the retest. You're pretty much inside this yellow box, so you're not leaving the yellow box, you're still not coming down. I've told you in yesterday's video that when you come down to $10,000, not $10,000 but just the 10,000 range here from 14,000, then for me this is not a good sign. To me, this is where the negative impact of Pepe may start to happen. And as far as I'm concerned, this pin bars right over here, if I hide the EMAs, they are pretty good, right? This is so good, and pin bars are dojis that mean a reversal can start to push to the upside. So I may say that if this is actually going to be very successful, I do believe you're looking for 20,000 shoot up. Okay, that's the technical target out of the pattern. You had your resistances, you broke above it, you came for the retest, you push up, you come to the technical target. I will still be positive even if Pepe does end up coming down to 11,692 and holding this line and finally pushing up. This is still another scenario that can happen and will still be okay for it to happen. Can it happen? There are chances it may happen, right? So the thing is that let's talk about pin bar, and I'm going to write in pin bar doji right there, and look at the images. I want to show you what happens whenever you make a pin bar. So basically one of the images that I think is going to be useful is this one. Let's open it up, and you can see that this is some few pin bars that were developed. This was another few pin bars that were developed, and you can see that ever since you do that, the next scenario is that you actually try to push upside even more. Another image right over here, two pin bars right over there if I zoom in, and this is just a signal that it's a good time to enter the market. Another one here. Okay, so this is a whole practice, and I do go in detail in my course. If you want to get it, do message me on Twitter, by the way. So yeah, pin bars, dojis, pretty good, very basic stuff here. It's not a very fancy educational video, but the thing is that pin bars are just very powerful. Two small few candles that mean reversals. Basically, when you go down, you make a pin bar, you make a decisive doji that you want to push to the upside, and that's all about this video on Pepe. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.